Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the DCI, their part number 3267X in a US10 finish. This is a satin bronze wall stop and holder, 3267. US10 is a reference to the finish. It would be more appropriate to call this 612 finish because it has a brass bronze base material, brass, in a satin bronze finish is what this is. So it's more accurate to call it not US10. US10 tells you it's satin bronze, but doesn't tell you the finish, it doesn't tell you the composition of the base metal. 612 tells you satin bronze, but also tells you the composition of the base metal. If this was made of steel in a satin bronze, you would call it 639. Anyway, this is properly called 612 finish, satin bronze. These types of door stops are considered heavy duty. A holder would be appropriate for, of course, your non-fire rated installations. Maybe what you could possibly have on the exterior of a building, in the sense of it being non-rated. You might have interior doors, possibly a school, where you have the need to hold doors open, like if it's the music department, you're going to move a piano through a set of doors. That enclosure may not be fire rated, so you could open those two doors up and then hook them and keep them held open while the moving of the equipment goes through. That sort of scenario. But the point is, non-fire rated is where you'd use a manual hold open or permissibly do so. Okay, that's the staple. Usually, obviously applied to the door is typical for that. I've seen it installed the other way around, but the installation method is intended for this to go to the wall. And one thing, among others, that I like about DCI products is the screw package you get. It's quite comprehensive. You're going to get a hanger bolt, half machine thread, half wood thread. You're going to get a piece of threaded rod that you can use with this lead anchor. You'll also get a plastic anchor should you need it, but then you'll get 3 screws, as this screw package would be conducive for the type of mount where there are no holes except the one drilled in the base, because you're intended to put that hanger bolt or that lead anchor into the wall, tighten it down, and then use the 1 screw installation to keep that from rotating. The other screws that you'll get will be for the plate that will go onto the door. Okay. Obviously available in all of the common architectural finishes: satin chrome, polished brass, satin brass, oil rub bronze. There is a link below this video to a document called Cut Sheet that will allow us to touch on the basic dimensions of the item. 2 1/4 inches the diameter of the base. It has a total projection of 3 3/4. And the one downside of these holders that I don't like, 3 3/4, is over time you're going to fatigue the finish with this hook. It's hanging in the way, it's off to the side, it'll damage it eventually. DCI has other items like automatic door holders that would prevent that sort of long-term sort of degradation of the lacquer that's over this and then ultimately the finish. You're going to have a total dimension, and I'm measuring from the face of the door to the face of the wall. Their dimensions don't give this to us. I'm going to lay it down on my desktop and do the best job that I can, keeping it all straight. You're going to be right at about 5 7/8 of an inch. 5 7/8 from what the wall would be to the door. So calculate that when you are installing the material to confirm that you've got the right area. I've had people install them this way as well, so they can suck the door up a little bit closer to the wall. Okay, it's not unheard of to do that. Nice quality fit and finish. That link to the cut sheet also infers the other finishes that it's available in, and we didn't miss any, so that's a good thing. DCI can do a variety of different door stops and holder combinations: wall mount, floor mount, automatic style. However, the name DCI is synonymous with other items, such as trim and auxiliary items like flush bolts and coordinators. Their name is also synonymous with a proprietary line of exit devices called Panex. There's a link below this video, and if you're in commercial construction, you may have run across that Panex name in a specification for an exit device. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the DCI products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the DCI, they're part number 3267X in a US10 finish, or any other DCI product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.